بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Now again, in terms of CCNP, CCIE Enterprise, so if your preparation is for CCNP or CCIE Enterprise, now with CCNP, there is a concentration exam paper on SD-WAN 300-415, which is focused on SD-WAN solutions offered by Cisco. And this particular exam is going to test the candidate's ability to understand the SD-WAN architecture and deployments of the controllers, as well as the edge devices called edge routers, and then configuring some policies, security policies, quality of service, multicasting, and management operations. These all the things will be tested on the SD-WAN. And if you see some brief overview, even in the CCIE Enterprise, so almost NP and IE, it's almost like the same concepts. So this is the screenshot of what you will see inside the CCIE Enterprise topics. Like they will ask you to understand the SD-WAN, and also you need to design the SD-WAN solutions where you are going to do the orchestration, management, and also control plane via different devices, and also the data plane, that is your edge devices, and then deploying the edge devices, and then some other options, OMP, TLOC. These are actually the other options, templates, quality of service, and also applying some centralized policies.